Welcome students. Today's topic is non-polar and polar covalent compound. Already in our earlier videos it is discussed about covalent compound. Covalent compound is the compound which is found between two atoms by the mutual sharing of electrons. It was also discussed in earlier videos that covalent compound is of three types: when it is having single bond, it is having double bond, or when it is having a triple bond. Now in this video we are having discussion on about non-polar and polar covalent compound. See, this is also a type of covalent compound, but the basis for for this type of covalent compound is the distribution of shared pair of electrons. On the basis of distribution of sharing of electrons, they are termed as non-polar and polar covalent compound. See here, first is our non-polar. Non-polar means when there is no development of poles. Poles, because we are studying in chemistry, so we are talking for charge here. When there is no development of charges, therefore those compounds are called as non-polar compounds. Here the shared pair of electrons are equally distributed or shared between the atoms. The meaning of this is that the atoms are of same electronegativity or little electronegativity difference. Second, the molecule is symmetrical and electrically neutral. Next point, these compounds do not ionize in water. Why they do not ionize? Because there is no separation of charges, because there is no positive charge, no negative charge, therefore they do not ionize in water. And the last point, why the shared electrons pair are equally shared? Because the both of atoms are having electronegativity almost same or same. Now we are taking here some example. Same electronegativity. We are taking here example hydrogen. We are taking here example hydrogen. See, hydrogen means one H and each is bonded with another H. Both H are having same electronegativity. Now see here, I am drawing its electron dot structure. How to draw it? Hydrogen molecule. It is having same hydrogen. Configuration, atomic number is 1. Configuration is 1. Configuration of both hydrogen is 1. Now how to draw its structure? H. This one valence electron we are showing it here by one dot, and in another we are showing it by cross, because here we are showing the electrons in form of dots, therefore this structure is called electron dot structure. Now see here, this hydrogen is stable with 2 electrons. Same is with this is also shared. Now see, both these hydrogen atoms are having same electronegativity, so both this electron pair come in between the two hydrogens. So such type of sharing, when the distribution of shared pair of electron is equally between two atoms, then it is called as non-polar. Now suppose when they are having little difference in electronegativity. For this we have taken example methane. very little difference in electronegativity. Example we are taking here is methane. See, methane, different atoms, different electronegativity. Carbon 6, 2 and 4. Now hydrogen, 4 hydrogen are there. I am writing here, I am writing here all 4. 1 Hb1, Hc1, Hd1. This ABCD I have just shown here to difference between these 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. सारे के सारे हाइड्रोजन एटम सेम है. इनको डिफरेंस करने के लिए आपको ABCD किया है. और सभी हाइड्रोजन एटम्स का एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है, तो उनका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन भी 1 होगा. नाउ सी इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. Carbon is central atom. See, we are showing its valence electrons 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this hydrogen, similar with this. See, this becomes here 2, this becomes here 2, and this becomes 8. All these are equally shared. Now this structure becomes this is when there is little difference electronegativity, when there is same electronegativity. These are your non-polar. Just opposite to this we are having another here, that is polar covalent compound, because here the development of different poles are here. क्योंकि 2 पोल बनते हैं इसलिए इन कंपाउंड्स को हम डाइपोल मॉलिक्यूल भी कह सकते हैं. द रीज़न बिकॉज ऑपोजिट चार्जेस और पोल्स आर डेवलप्ड हेयर. जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू नॉन पोलार, द शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नॉट इक्वली, दे आर नॉट इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. क्योंकि इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होते हैं, देयरफॉर दे आर हैविंग चार्जेस. जो 2, तो जहाँ कम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे वहाँ प्लस चार्ज बन जाएगा, जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव करेंगे वो बन जाएगा आपका नेगेटिव चार्ज. देयरफॉर हेयर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आयंस आर हेयर, देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड डाइपोल मोमेंट, डाइपोल मॉलिक्यूल. दे आयोनाइजेस इन वाटर. Electronegativity, now see here, when the electronegativity is of slight difference, तो कंपाउंड कैसा होगा आपका? पोलार. जब डिफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा होगा तो कंपाउंड आपका बन जाएगा आयनिक. कंपाउंड कैसा बन जाएगा यहाँ पे आपका? आयनिक. डिफरेंस ज़्यादा होगा. जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का, वो किसी एक एटम की तरफ जब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो ज़्यादा प्लस माइनस चार्ज डेवलप होगा, तो कंपाउंड आपका आयनिक डेवलप हो जाएगा, आयनिक बन जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट बाय एग्जांपल. वाटर H2O. 2 hydrogen atoms are here. A, just to differentiate between them, A, 1 is atomic number, configuration is 1. HB, another hydrogen with same atomic number, configuration is 1. अब oxygen, atomic number is 8, configuration becomes 2 and 6. Now how to draw its electron dot structure? One will be our central atom. 3 एटम है हमारे पास, 2 हाइड्रोजन के, 1 ऑक्सीजन का. तो इन तीनों में से कोई एक हमारा सेंट्रल एटम बनेगा. सेंट्रल एटम वो होता है जो सबसे कम होता है numbers में. So this is our oxygen. 6 valence electrons we are showing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hydrogen. Now see, this becomes 2 electrons for hydrogen. 2 electrons for hydrogen. Now see here, ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. वो एक इस हाइड्रोजन से लेगा, एक इस हाइड्रोजन से लेगा. 6 + 1 7, 7 + 1 इट बिकम्स 8. नाउ सी, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स +1 इट बिकम्स 8. तो क्या हो गया इसका स्ट्रक्चर? ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन. So this is our polar, this is our water molecule. Now another example we are taking here is of ammonia, NH3. This is of quite good importance because here we are having lone pair. देखिएगा स्ट्रक्चर को कैसे बनता है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर. नाइट्रोजन 7 एटॉमिक नंबर 2 and 5. हाइड्रोजन A1, B1, हाइड्रोजन C1. configuration will be 1 1 and 1. Now see here, nitrogen will be your central atom. 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. 2 atoms for hydrogen, 2 atoms for hydrogen, 2 atoms for hydrogen. All these 3 hydrogen atoms are now stable. Now what about this nitrogen atom? See, already this nitrogen atom is having 5 plus 1 6 7 and 8. Now this will be its structure. पर बेटा जब रिएक्शन होती है, देखिए ये कहीं पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता है. दिस पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन एनी रिएक्शन. Such type of electron pair is called lone pair of electron. This is called lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. See here. अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनेगा बेटा? नाइट्रोजन, दिस इज योर लोन पेयर. हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन, दिस बिकम्स योर अमोनिया. आपको यहाँ पे ये लोन पेयर शो करना होगा. दिस इज योर अमोनिया स्ट्रक्चर, इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर, एंड दिस इज योर वाटर स्ट्रक्चर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.